Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to group in drawio. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click on the start button, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Grouping elements in drawio is a simple process, but it is a great way to manage and organize your diagram efficiently. Now, as if we notice, I don't have any elements yet, so I'm bringing in some images right here. Click on the import. I'm going to import some image right here. And I'm going to start building some diagram, right? I'm going to go to the flow chart right here. I'm going to click some of the, this one right here. And of course, I'm going to add some, like the more shapes button. Let's see what we got, right? So go to general. I'm gonna add this actor right here. And then I'm gonna add maybe like this one right here. And the last part is this. Of course, we can also go to the advanced or miscellaneous. You can add it here. All right, so, and then I'm going to add a text probably here on the general. I'm gonna click on text. I'm gonna increase the font size. Maybe this one will become this. All right, and I'm going to go to the font color, maybe kind of like I'm gonna choosing like a green. Click on apply. This one will be something like, and then I'm going to add in a background color, maybe something like a white. It's too much. Maybe say for example a pink color. This one is gonna be then I'm going to add some shadow, border. Background color is gonna be like a black for now. All right, so maybe kind of like an. Now, for you to be able to group all of these elements together, I want you to hold down the shift button on your keyboard, or for if you're using Windows. If you're using Mac, press the CMD command and click each shape or element that you want to group. For example, this one, right? This, I hear all of it. All right. And then right click on it, and there should be an option that says group. It's very easy. When you group it, what will happen is you now have the option to resize all of them in one single stroke. You can simply press the Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Takes a little while. All right. And from here, you can create multiple copies without you affecting the first diagram, which is very helpful. All right. You can move the group as a single unit by dragging it anywhere here in the canvas. Rotate the group using the rotation handle right here if you want, but it takes a little while. All right. For example, that. Let's try to. You see that kind of creating like a mirror. All right, so there we go. And then from here, you can simply go to the file section once you're happy with the diagram that you have created. Since you group all of the elements together, click on the save button, Ctrl+S. Now you have more options to export this diagram that you have grouped here in drawio. You can choose to export it as a PNG, JPEG, SVG, and PDF. And of course, you can also share it to your client or to the team members that you are working with. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.